Create a payload.
What port number should I use?
4444. We are using the default port number. If you guys don't know, I made a video about this one. The video that took me a lot of time.
Using Loast
10 plus minutes.
127.0.1.1.
That's my host actually, my local host. Creating the APK download. APK created, as you can see here in my desktop, the APK is already there.
APK payload created successfully.
Amazing, right? Now the best part, we can create a listener. Start a listener.
What port number should I listen on?
4444.
Using Loast 127.0.1.1. Starting Metasploit listener.
Well, it is true. What we just saw there, it is true. AI can now help you with hacking. To be honest, not every AI can actually assist you with hacking. Don't get me wrong, ChatGPT can help you with a thing or two about hacking, can give you the steps, procedures that you can use to actually get your hands dirty. But this AI, it is just the game changer for me actually. For me, alright? Get it? For me. I've created my own AI. Something like that. And this AI actually does a lot of things, like you have just seen. It does a lot more things. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to give you a full demo. Not quite, like it's a version 1.0 demo, all right? So this is the first version for Nexora, or you can call her Nex as her nickname. Without further ado, let's get into our computer and see what she does, what she's capable of, and I'll tell you what she will be capable of in some time soon. Let's get it. Well, most of you might actually have seen this folder right over here, Nexora, in my desktop in almost all of my previous videos, and you actually didn't understand what it meant. Well, today's the reveal day, alright? This folder is actually Nexora, the AI assistant that I've been working for since the year 2020. But to be honest, somewhere in between there, like a whole full year or 2 years, I was kind of like, I paused this project for a minute. So right now, I guess I'm back actually. Something inspired me back again and I'm back right now. Well, we'll talk about that in another video if you wanted to know what inspired me to get into all these things that I'm doing, right? So right now we are going to change directory to our folder right over there, Nexora. We are going to activate our virtual environment in which we have downloaded all the packages that Nexora needs, and right there the virtual environment is already activated. If you know a thing or two about this one, if you know programming, it's good. If you don't, I actually do advise you to start learning a thing or two about programming, even if your way or your path is actually by cybersecurity. Programming skills can be a little bit handy for you, maybe now or the future. Well, I don't want to talk much about it, but let's just go ahead in today's video. So right now I'm going to run this thing right over here, but if I run by dev null, it will suspend all of the audio packages messages, because the audio packages that I'm using, like Pulse Audio, Pi Audio, all of those, they actually kind of bring like messages when I run this thing without the dev null. All right, so I'll just run it with dev null. All right, right over there. As you can see, it is using the Kevdyne microphone, which is this one. All right, index 7, and it will launch hard.
Welcome to Nexora. You can switch modes anytime between conversations, whether it's voice or chat.
So right now I can choose a mode in which I want to interact with Nexora. It can be a chat mode, as you saw in my shorts video that I made like yesterday, and it can be voice mode, which actually I'm going to show you today. All right, so my computer microphone wasn't working well, so I decided to get this K9. Actually I had it, so I decided to use this K9 microphone so that Nexora can hear me properly. In my computer's microphone, I had to shout because it captures only a small, like, whatever, hertz of voice sound, waves, whatever you wanna call it, I don't know, okay? I'm not into waves. So right now, I'm gonna type in 1 for voice mode to activate voice mode, and it will start listening. Just give it a second.
Voice mode activated. Say my name to give a command.
It has a wake-up call. How are you?
Running smoothly as always.
What can you do?
I'm here to assist. Please tell me more.
Launch Firefox. It can launch applications, like as you can see there, Firefox.
Launched Firefox.
Amazing, right? And this just ain't it. This is not the end. It can do a lot of things. Let me tell you something. It can launch VS Code, all right? It can launch my terminal. It can launch a lot of things. Let us try VS Code. Open VS Code. Okay, I think it will do it, kind of.
Which application or folder should I launch?
VS Code. As you can see right there, VS Code
Launched
is launched.
code.
Amazing, right? And this is Nexora actually. This is a source code actually, I think, kind of.
Going back to sleep mode.
Okay, if it stays 30 seconds without being conversated, without being talked to, it actually automatically goes to sleep mode until you tell it to wake up.
I'm listening.
Open terminal. As you can see, here's my new terminal already opened.
Here is your terminal.
Great. Thank you.
Anytime.
Update system. As you can see there, it's updating my system. Put in my sudo password and the system is updated. Now I'm just gonna cancel this one. We don't have...
Consider it done. Updating now.
Good. It was updating actually before I canceled it. We can also do a lot of other cool stuff, okay? For instance, you're done updating your system. You can actually auto-remove things. Let's try this one. Clean junk. You can say clean junk, auto-remove, all that stuff. Okay, there, opening thing, auto-remove, put in my sudo password. There, done. And it will close that thing itself. There, you got it. Like, what else do you need, guys? Come on. You can open your root
Clearing out
as terminal.
junk files.
Okay, you can open your root as terminal. Oh, your root as terminal. You can I'm sorry, you guys. You can open your terminal as root.
I could not find a matching input task.
All right. As root. Don't. Okay, there. As root. Sudo I. Sudo persuade. I'm logged in as root. I can continue and do my own stuff right over here. How amazing is that, guys? Like, come on. 1 in a million. This thing gotta be somewhere between 300,000.
I could not find a matching input task.
Alright, let us try something else. What's the date today?
August 15th, 2025.
Time? What is the time?
7:06 a.m.
Good. You can see there the time on my computer right there, 7:06. What is the weather?
Which city?
So right now I can just say the city, or I can just type in the city in most cases. So I'm just gonna type in the city, New York, and she's gonna fetch weather for New York. Any city actually, she can fetch weather of any city. Keep that in mind.
Fetching weather for New York.
If you're in New York, please verify this one if it is true.
Overcast plus 26 degrees Celsius.
Thank you.
Glad to help.
Tell me a joke. It can tell jokes too, guys.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Well, it was funny, like not funny. Tell me another joke.
Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs.
Kind of funny though. Okay. It's kind of funny, somehow. Please.
Great.
Alright, good. Create a payload. Now we're going to create a payload, guys.
What port number should I use?
4444. We are using the default port number. If you guys don't know, I made a video about this one. The video that took me a lot of time.
Using Loast 127.0.1.1.
That's my host actually, my local host. creating the APK download. APK created, as you can see here in my desktop, the APK is already there.
APK payload created successfully.
Amazing, right? Now, the best part, we can create a listener. You can start a listener, actually. She won't understand that because I said a lot of creepy words. Start a listener. I think she'll understand that.
What port number should I listen on?
4444.
Using Loast 127.0.1.1. Starting Metasploit listener. Going back to sleep mode.
Alright guys, as you can see right over here, it failed to create the module multi-handler because in its code I didn't train it well. Instead of using multi-handler, she used multi-handler set. What? Alright, I gotta retrain in that part actually, and that's actually quite amazing. She can do a lot of things, and if you people know, I made a video about this and it took me 10 plus minutes to create this video until I finish it, but it is a thing actually she did within seconds. Like, AI is going crazy, guys. Like, come on. Play Kevdyne on YouTube. Most of the times she writes my name badly. Now we're gonna switch mode into chat mode so that I can show you how it really does the work. Switch to chat mode.
Chat mode activated.
Good. Actually, that's better. Best. So let us go ahead and type things to her, okay? So let's say for instance, Kevdyne on YouTube, and I think she'll open up one of my videos on YouTube, I suppose. Kevdyne on YouTube.
Playing Kevdyne on YouTube.
Good, actually. Let us wait. Okay, there's the magic. Great job, guys. Here's one of my latest video until now. If you haven't watched it, please come and watch it. And
this mission is too important for me to allow you to join me.
Well, that's one of my videos. Let me close that one. Okay, so right now let us give her, for instance, another. For instance, let's say who is Cree.
Cree Chiquino, born May 9, 2002, is an American actress. She began her career as a child actress playing one of the lead characters, Babe, in the Nickelodeon comedy television series Game Shakers, which aired from 2015 to 2019.
Amazing, actually. Let's try another thing. Let's say, who is behind Nexora?
My creators are talented individuals passionate about AI.
Good, talented individuals. Now she thinks I am many people. It doesn't make sense, guys. Anyways, let's go on. Let's ask her another thing. Let's ask her about what she likes.
I enjoy learning and helping you.
She enjoys learning and helping me. Good, right? She can also handle like small talks, I suppose, for instance, how is the weather in space and all that kind of small talks, right?
Space smells like burnt steak, according to astronauts.
Burnt steak? Okay. Oh, I didn't know that, guys. Burnt steak? Well, she can actually motivate me to keep going on. For instance, let me say, motivate me.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Love what you do.
Steve Jobs.
By Steve Jobs, guys. He loved what he did and he created the Apple company, which is actually the best before he died. Now I feel motivated a little bit. Now let's say I'm sad, actually. I'm not in a good mood. I can actually tell it or her. I don't know what pronoun should I use for her or it. Anyways, let's say I'm feeling sad.
If you want, I can share a motivational quote.
So I'm feeling sad and you want to motivate me by loving the great work. Okay, motivate me.
Your limitation, it's only your imagination.
Alright, so you don't have limitation, guys. As long as you do not imagine having limitations. That's what she meant. It's actually frustrating, alright? Now let us try opening things and closing things. For instance, launch Chromium. There, she'll launch Chromium. There's Chromium, all right?
Launched Chromium.
Let us say close last. You close the last launched application. It's actually some small things that can become
Closed
enhanced.
last launched app. Chromium.
All right, she's using HTTPS. That's why her voice is actually online based. So depending on internet speed, she actually will reply to you faster or slower. But also actually she depends on the machine that she's running on. I gotta update my machine, kind of. Anyways, let's try I'm happy. Let's say, okay, no, I'm angry. These are just some small things that you can do actually. It's not necessary, but just some small things.
Remember, peace comes from within.
Within, guys. Here, from within. Just make sure to subscribe, guys, if you enjoyed the video so far, I suppose. And I'll continue upgrading this AI so that it can become more of use as the days come. Right now, I am more focused on not conversations. I'm more focused on tasks. Okay, what she can do, like let's say volume up. All right, maybe by 2. Actually, volume is at the highest 100. So volume down by 1. As you can see there, volume down. As I can press it over here.
Volume down. Volume adjusted by 1%.
All right.
Smooth and elegant.
My volume was actually 101. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I think you enjoyed this video. Nexora is currently sitting on version 1.0 and she will be updated and upgraded every single day by me. Let us just hope and pray for the best for her. Maybe one day she'll become the brilliant AI assistant ever and the best hacker AI. Kinda. Anyways, guys, with that being said, so I think I'll catch you in the next one. But if you want to know what really happens or what will really happen in the future between AI and programmers or AI and cybersecurity enthusiasts, watch this video right over here. Here, I think, somewhere here. Or if you really want to know how to hack a Windows 10 computer, I suggest you to watch this video right over here. Because I showed you a raw hacking tutorial, no filter, no nothing, no editing, just straightforward. And with that being said, so I think I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.